Hey guys, it's Erin from AJ's Bands, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a basic French braid bracelet. You're probably new to my channel, so hello. And this is a new channel. This is my second video, and I'm really excited. So, let's get on with the video. Grab your first color. For me, it's black, and do a figure 8 like you would do with a fishtail. Then, take another color. For me, it's white, and just slide it around. Take your next color and slide around just like the second one. So the first part is basically the starting fishtail. Put the bottoms up and over. Then grab your next one and do it out and put it over. Now we're going to mix it up a little. Go to the left and pick the middle up and over, not the bottom. Then go to the right and pick up the bottom. Now it should look like this with two identical colors on the left and two different colors on the right. Then get your next color. For the left, you're going to do bottom over. For the right, you're going to do middle over. And then it looks the same, but except the two identical colors will now be on the right side, and the two different will now be on the left side. Take another one, stretch it around, and then the right side is bottom up, and then the left side is middle up. Keep repeating this process until finished. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to finish off your French braid rubber band bracelet once it's long enough. So, you're going to need 3 bands on the loom, not 2. If you don't have 3, add another one on. Do the usual French braid, and then it would be good. Then what you're going to do, instead of doing another one, is do a fishtail braid. So bottom up, just like you would finish off the fishtail braid rubber band bracelet. So what you're going to do is take an S-clip or C-clip, doesn't matter which one. And then hook both bands the same way onto the S-clip. And then do that for the other side, which is a bit harder because it's not on the loom. And now you have your very own DIY French braid rubber band bracelet. Bye.